Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will make a watermelon slice. I wanted to take a photo right away as requested. Just one slice of watermelon. This size, it will also be a keychain. If you wish, let's start with the bigger one first, then move on to the more obvious. We started from the red part first. Starting with the ring in third place. My crochet hook is 2 millimeters. I'm making 6 tight stitches inside my magic ring. We will always be increasing, never decreasing.
Turkish. 5.
I made 6 needleless hoops. The last stitch,
I am merging.
I am doing in and out stitches for all my loops in the second row.
Okay. Dot. Because 부터 8. Okay.
Goodbye. I will continue my increases in this way: a single, a double, 2 singles, a double in total. Then text until I have a pair. I'll continue on the lower rows. Here's 11. I have completed my increases up to 1 pair this way. Then I will change the color. That means I will switch to white. I'm changing the color of the yarn. I changed it. I will keep crocheting 11 singles.
Just one.
I will make a raise and let it be my 13th in line. Yes, in white, and also just 11. We make a pair of needles. It has been completed. Then I'm changing the color again, which makes it my 14th in line. I'm switching to green at my 14th position. I was going to go through the color green. I will knit 3 rows in my green color. I won't do any increases or decreases, meaning until the 16th row. And I'll keep knitting flat. We fix 4 rows like this. Then I cut my thread because I'm moving on to sewing. Now we've got this cardboard. I've measured the lining. Now, while sewing this, I fold it like this and place it inside. I will place it on the part and I will do the sewing. While manually stuffing, I will manually stuff this part of the cardboard too. It won't get into this gap, okay? For it to stand upright, now I want to show you the sewing part. In the sewing part, like this, in the middle part, 5 meters. I will adjust it to come around the corner like this. Goodbye.
I will go.
Let me show you this way. I'll sew by passing through these loops here. When knitting a sweater, it can be a bit difficult to increase stitches at first. I'll add more as we progress, like this. Frightened indeed. I pass it to the opposite side. Goodbye. I try to give it this kind of shape by taking from the other side this way. We knit by passing one loop through another in this manner. I will continue with the bread.
It's very beautiful.
As I continue, this area will get narrower. I am filling it with hand oil. Then we will make reverse stitches on the back parts. Filling can be hard, as I said.
Credit.
We will fill the upper part of the baton with handcrafts, continuing in this manner. As I said, from inside these side-by-side tight stitches, twisting, I keep going to straight beautiful stitch. Of course, with handmade, too much, no need to exaggerate. We also place the cardboard to ensure it stands upright. So let's continue this way. I finished sewing it like this. Look, you can't even tell there's a seam. Now I will make the black parts on top of it.
So red.
Subtitled by MK. You can do them any way you want, at intervals over that part.
Chats.
I will finish it by doing this, including the seeds as well. Then afterwards, small. I will now explain how to cut a watermelon slice. I did the seeds on it in this way. You can do it at intervals as you said. Now, I am starting to make the smaller one. The recipe of the smaller one is also, I'm starting again with the magic ring. This time, I'll make a double crochet into the magic ring. I have created my usual circle. I'm pulling 2 chains from here, adding on top, diving into it. And a total of 14 pieces. I take it upon myself and throw it twice. I will complete 5, that makes 14 in total. Yes, I have finished the 14 pieces in this way. I pull the double crochet to join my ring. I will tighten my yarn.
And the circle has come together. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch here and pull 2 chains from here. Now I am making 2 chains. I take it on top and crochet into all my loops. That is making double crochets. I will repeat this until the end of my row. And by the end of it, I will have made a total of 28 double crochets. I made 28 double crochets. I came here and I'm joining this spot again with a single crochet. Pulling 2 more chains, and this time 1, 2 chains. Wash more. I'm making a pair. I will continue doing this in the same way, alternating single and double until the end of my row, and in total knit 42 tight stitches until the end of the row. It will be a double crochet stitch. Subtitle MK. By making a single pair, I completed 42 levels. I have completed the double crochet from here. Now I will change color here, transitioning to white. There will now be 42 stitches in white as well. Moving on to tight stitching. In a straight manner, I will knit a row. I knitted a row with Berezik. Now I'm switching back to my green yarn. I moved on to the green yarn. No, I'll do it this way. I'll knit back and forth. All the single crochets will face each other like this. I will have knitted we keep going like this until the end of our turn. I will continue. I joined the opposite tight stitches. Now I will make the seed parts. You can do this at any intervals you like. I'll do it by skipping a single crochet. Continue at intervals you desire. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, I'd be happy. I'm also waiting for your comments. You can write any toys you want in your comments. Thank you.